In a quest for faster hair growth, we're here to provide you with actionable strategies grounded in research to help you achieve luscious locks in no time. Join us as we uncover the secrets to unlocking rapid hair growth. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand the fundamentals of hair growth. From the growth phase to shedding, each stage plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair. Numerous factors, including genetics, diet, and lifestyle, impact hair growth. By addressing these factors, you can stimulate faster and healthier hair growth. Now let's explore actionable steps you can take to accelerate hair growth and achieve the mane of your dreams. Ensure your diet is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, D, E, and biotin. These nutrients play a vital role in promoting hair growth and overall hair health. Maintain a clean and healthy scalp by regularly washing with a gentle shampoo. Incorporate scalp massages to stimulate blood circulation and encourage hair growth. Opt for hair care products formulated to promote hair growth, such as shampoos and conditioners enriched with biotin, keratin, and essential oils like rosemary and peppermint. Consider incorporating hair growth supplements into your daily routine. Look for supplements containing biotin, collagen, and other hair-boosting ingredients. Manage stress levels through relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. High stress can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to hair loss. For those seeking additional ways to boost hair growth, explore advanced treatments like laser therapy, scalp microneedling, and PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy. Achieving rapid hair growth is within reach with the right strategies and commitment. By implementing these actionable steps, you can unlock the secret to luscious locks in no time. Subscribe for ongoing insights on hair care and personal wellness.